The board activity logs keep all board changes in one place, including status, date, ownership, and group updates. You can quickly export activity logs in Excel format using the export icon in the top right corner of the Activity Log tab for deeper analysis and reporting. Import activity logs into the Smart Spreadsheet view to keep all your workflow data secure and up to date within your Monday.com account, while giving your team a centralized place to analyze changes and build reports without external tools. Use familiar Excel-like tools, such as pivot tables, charts, and conditional formatting, to uncover valuable insights from activity logs. Create pivot tables using familiar, native controls similar to Excel or Google Sheets to quickly group, filter, summarize, and analyze activity log data without any complicated setup. Now you can easily identify stale items. Pivot tables, charts, and formulas help you quickly spot tasks with little or no activity. While some completed tasks may naturally stay unchanged, inactive items in active statuses can indicate workflow bottlenecks. Analyze how many items each teammate has been involved in to better understand workload distribution, identify the most active contributors, and spot possible workload imbalances. Pivot tables, charts, and conditional formatting with color gradation make these patterns much easier to notice and interpret. Track chaotic ownership changes to reveal workflow gaps and unclear responsibilities. Monitor deadline updates to uncover workflow issues, whether it's general team overload or a specific complex task causing delays.